Well, if you're still rocking one of these 3.5-inch Garmin nuvis, you know that you don't have much to work with on the screen because, it's a square instead of a rectangle. So for example, and this is the point of this video, if you want to know what bearing you have, you would ordinarily just tap the speed. This is a nuvi 1260, by the way. And then down, and it says, okay, bearing southwest. It is actually faster just to take your finger and tap. And that shows that I am heading southwest. It is suggested, though, that if you do that, head over to map and change your vehicle icon to the arrow. As in that guy right there. That's a stock arrow. Looks like this in three-dimensional view. But when you go to two-dimensional, having that arrow is nice because it very immediately tells you, oh, okay, I am heading southwest. And furthermore, doing it that way is just one tap. It's easy, which is nice. Whereas this way, 1, 2, yeah, it's 2 taps. That may not sound like much, but while you're driving, you really want to minimize as many taps as possible. So when you're doing this, just like that. Also, if you do go here to the trip computer, a lot of people forget you get all this information, as in how much time until the next turn, how much distance until the next turn. I mean, yes, you do get it from here.
In 86 miles, keep left onto I-35 south.
True, and that is one tap, and it goes away on its own, which is also nice. But here, arriving, distance and time, yeah, time, distance. And then you get your turn in and your bearing and your elevation. The 1100 and 1200, and then by extension the 1300 and 1400 nuvi series really does give you a lot of information, which is nice. But anyway, to recap, a very quick way to get your bearing, just tap the map once. Also, if you happen to tap the vehicle icon, well, that brings up this. That's different. So if you want a quick shortcut to hospitals, police stations, and fuel, and to give your nearest address, if it knows one where you are. If it doesn't, it'll give you the nearest exit. But you go away from that. Very quick shortcut to your two-dimensional map that will instantly show you what your bearing is.